Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily download and install Steam on Windows. So let's start. The first thing what I'm going to do, just open the Google Chrome or Edge or whatever you're using, write download Steam. Then we're gonna see the Steam, the ultimate gaming platform. Okay, install Steam. And right now it's downloading. So I'm going to open it. Okay, it asked me for like verification. Next, English, next. I'm not going to add it to C because I'm going to add it to my D or F, and I'm going to like Steam. Okay, my F, install, and you just wait until it's going to get installed. This is the official website, so it's like kind of worth it to do it this way. Don't like download it from some scam websites, please. Finish. And I just wait until it's going to update. Now, if this video will be helpful, guys, definitely write down below in the comments if this video helped you, so when other people would come here, they know that this video is legit. So we're gonna wait for a while now. Oh, here we go. It's going to verify installation. Yep, and here we got it. So now we got it, and that's pretty much it. And this is how we can install and download Steam. Thank you very much, guys, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya!